Are you still trying to promote affiliate links with strategies from 2020? Seriously, it's time to stop. Stop writing those monster blog posts that nobody reads. Stop throwing pins on Pinterest and praying for a miracle. And please, for the love of recurring revenue, stop spamming your links in Facebook groups. Those methods are dead. The game has changed completely. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on an exact AI-powered YouTube method that takes channels from $0 to consistent monthly commissions in a crazy competitive niche. And it's not what you think. This is the strategy that's actually working right now, in 2026. Let's be real for a second. You've probably tried everything, right? You've watched the gurus, bought the courses, and you're still staring at an affiliate dashboard with a whole lot of nothing. The affiliate world is a tornado of overwhelming and, frankly, conflicting advice. One guru says master SEO, another says build a huge email list overnight, and a third tells you to go dance on TikTok. It's exhausting. The reason those old strategies are failing is actually pretty simple. Everyone is doing them, and your audience is tired. They've developed ad blindness. They can spot a generic, lazy affiliate pitch from a mile away. On top of that, with the slow death of third-party cookies, just tracking clicks is becoming a total mess. The foundation of old-school affiliate marketing is crumbling. The new game isn't about tricking people into clicking. It's about building real trust and providing so much value they can't ignore you. It's about creating a system where people want to buy through your link because you've helped them solve a genuine problem. If you've ever felt that frustration of just spinning your wheels and getting nowhere, hit that like button and let others know they're not alone. So where's the real opportunity? Well, it's right here on YouTube, but not in the way you're probably thinking. Forget trying to be a daily vlogger or a huge personality. In 2026, the best way to crush it with affiliate links is to treat YouTube like a search engine for problems. When someone needs a solution, they don't just Google it anymore. They go to YouTube to watch someone show them the answer, and that someone is going to be you. Your videos become evergreen assets that the algorithm promotes for you 24/7 for years. For example, some creators have started a totally new, faceless YouTube channel in a competitive niche, and by focusing only on this method, have seen their channels pull in thousands a month in recurring commissions from just a handful of videos. It's been seen where a single video with only 21,000 views generated over $1,000 for the creator. This isn't about getting millions of views, it's about getting the right views. Now, what about the AI-powered part? Let's be clear. This isn't about letting a robot make soulless garbage content. This is about using AI as your secret weapon. It's about using AI tools to 10 times your workflow. We're talking about using AI for research, for scripting, for creating shockingly realistic voiceovers, and for optimizing our videos to get seen. This lets one person do the work of an entire content team and publish killer videos faster than anyone else. All right, enough talk. Let's get into the playbook. This is the exact framework. First up, niche and product selection. This is where 99% of affiliates go wrong. They're out here promoting $10 gadgets from Amazon and wondering why they're only making pennies. You need to focus on two things: high-value products and recurring commissions. We are hunting for products that pay you every single month. The most profitable niches for this strategy right now are AI software and SaaS tools. Think website builders, email marketing software, or AI content tools. These are subscription businesses, and they will gladly pay you 20 to 50% of that fee for as long as your referral remains a customer. So here's what you're going to do. Go to an affiliate network like PartnerStack. It's free to join. Filter their marketplace for SaaS and look for programs that offer at least a 20% recurring commission. Don't even look at anything else. This makes sure that every customer you bring in becomes a long-term income stream. not just a one-off payment. Once you've got your product, it's time for step 2, the problem-solving content strategy. You have to stop selling and start solving. Your video title should never be "Buy this now." It needs to be how to solve this annoying problem using this awesome product. Your affiliate product is just the tool that makes the solution possible. Focus on these 3 video formats that work like a charm. The tutorial, a video titled something like "How to build a website in under 5 minutes with this AI tool." You just record your screen and walk the viewer through the entire process, giving them a quick, satisfying win. The roundup, the classic comparison, but on video, the top 5 AI tools to 10 times your productivity. You briefly review each one, show its killer feature, and then declare a winner for a specific purpose, which just so happens to be the product you're promoting. The case study, this one is pure gold. How this one gadget completely changed my workflow. You tell a personal story about a problem you had and show exactly how the product fixed it. This builds an insane amount of trust. Step 3 is all about crafting the perfect, high-retention video. Your mission is to get over 50% of people to watch your entire video. If you can do that, the YouTube algorithm will absolutely fall in love with you. For this model, the sweet spot is a value-packed, exciting video that's around 8 minutes long. Here's the structure. First, the hook. The first 30 seconds are everything. Don't do the whole, "Hey guys, what's up" thing. Hit them with the problem and the promise. For example, your productivity is being secretly destroyed by one simple thing. I'm about to show you the one AI tool that saved me 10 hours last week. You've called out a pain point and teased a huge result. Second, the core value. From 30 seconds to about the 6-minute mark, you deliver the goods. This is your screen-recorded demo or your review. Keep the energy up, talk like you're talking to a friend. Point things out. You see this button right here? Watch what happens. Boom. An entire article, written in seconds. Use quick edits, zooms, and text on the screen to keep it moving. Show them the transformation. Third, after you've provided all that amazing value, you earn the right to make a call to action. Around the 6-minute mark, you make your pitch. Just be cool about it. Say something like, "If you want to try this tool for yourself and see how much time it saves, you'll find a link down in the description." Just so you know, that is an affiliate link, which means if you decide to purchase, a small commission may be earned at no extra cost to you. It's a great way to support channels that provide this kind of value. Finally, the wrap-up. So let's quickly summarize the main point, and this is key. Point them to another one of your videos to keep them watching. I know what a lot of you are thinking. This sounds awesome, but I do not want to put my face on camera. The beauty of this is, you don't have to. These kinds of channels can be 100% faceless. All you need are good quality screen recordings and a clear voice. And guess what? Even the voice can be automated. An entire workflow can be built for speed. First, do the research and scripting, sometimes using ChatGPT to help outline the talking points. Second, record the screen with free software like OBS Studio. Third, use a hyper-realistic AI voice tool like 11 Labs to read the script. The quality now is so good, it's almost impossible to tell it's not human. Sync that voiceover to the screen recording, add some captions, background music, and sound effects to keep the energy high. Finally, use a tool like vidIQ to perfect the title, description, and thumbnail. This entire process lets you create a high-value video in just a couple of days, not weeks. You can literally build a factory that produces content that works for you while you sleep. So the YouTube video is the engine, but honestly, it's not the whole car. To make this strategy totally bulletproof for 2026 and beyond, you have to build your own traffic sources. Like we talked about, the cookieless future is here, which means, owning a direct line to your audience is more valuable than ever. First, use YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels as movie trailers for your main video. Chop up a 60-second high-impact clip from your tutorial and post it with a call to action like "Full tutorial is linked in my bio." This funnels traffic from those trendy short-term platforms to your stable, long-term YouTube asset. Second, your most important asset besides YouTube is your email list. Your call to action doesn't always have to be click my affiliate link. It can be download my free checklist or a template that's related to the video. In exchange for their email, they get more value and you get a direct line to your most loyal followers, letting you promote offers and build your brand away from any single platform. So what's the best way to promote affiliate links in 2026? It's not about finding the next cheap hack. It's about building a real, sustainable, value-driven business. The blueprint is simple. Choose a high-value niche with recurring commission products. Create problem-solving videos on YouTube that genuinely help people. Use AI to streamline your production so you can scale even as a faceless channel. And finally, use that content to build long-term assets like subscribers and an email list. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work and a real desire to help people, but the framework is proven. It's built for the future of the internet, and now you have the roadmap. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more no BS marketing strategies. Now go get started.